What I'm presenting you here are ideal types, a conceptual framework that was introduced by sociologist Max Weber in the early 20th century to discuss how institutions and structures often had particular values and structures in the way in which they were organized. So in looking at each one of these, you'll notice that there's a difference in terms of the structure of government, social organization, and economic organization. For democracy, freely elected by the people, ideals of individual freedom, and capitalism are part of that definition. For communism, traditionally these organizations are dictatorial, authoritarian, totalitarian, and the means of production are usually held by the party or state. That is, the means in which people both labor as well as get products. And then in the socialist system, freely elected by the people and a belief that the people should have a say in all decision making, equality of opportunity and shared decision making, and capitalism, state, and social ownership as part of their economic organization.